Ah, yes. In these times of uncertainty, we have become quite the YouTube destination for those in the hater nation to the majority that are looking to better their situation. In this video, in our last video, we shorted 7,900. The target for the whale crew, 7,450, 7,500. But even though if you're not in the whale crew, you've had two opportunities to take quite a nice profit. Quite a nice profit. Now, what's going to happen next? Well, here's what I will say. For the past few weeks, we've been in this kind of void of uncertainty. Before then, we had about a month and a half of a solid window of murderous, high-confident trading. Right now, on the 4-hour, we have a bullish divergence on the blue wave momentum algorithm. And folks, this algorithm is fire. Looking at the daily, the bearish divergence, every single bearish divergence leads to a dump. It is 100% accurate. 100%. Now, what I've been looking at is to see if this momentum starts to turn or stop at zero like the last dump, or if she's going to keep going. There are signs of it slowing down. This certainly could be the bottom, the 74.50. As I will say, there are major indicators pointing both ways. In my opinion, at least for those that follow me in my group, I've been preaching it. This is not a time where I am betting the farm on anything. We will live to trade every other day. There will be more windows of ultra high confidence where I bet the farm. But there are little scalps that are ripe for the taking. This is a good time to trade in many ways. So, I do have a little long in. Looking at when we dumped from 19 or 20,000 compared to basically a very similar situation. When we dumped from 19,000, it didn't just go straight down, folks. It came down, it came up, it came down, it came up. There is major volatility. I mean, you're looking at moves of $2,000-$3,000. And there's no reason why, obviously, the same percentage amounts wouldn't happen now. So for this long that I am in right now, with this bearish divergence from the 74.50, 7,500, yada, 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 I'm not really, if it stops at 8,000 or 8,100, I would not be surprised if it continued down more. As well, I would not be surprised if this just turned out to be another L, just like these, where it continues up. I am simply taking my gains and adding to the portfolio It could go up, it could go down. That we know for sure. So as of right now, I'm willing to have a little bit of patience to see if we can cap this long at 8K or 8100 and go on about our days. Now, let's talk about shadow trading for a little bit. As many of you know, I've been in discussions with a couple different groups as far as here's what I'm looking for, and I think this is what everyone's looking for. What everyone wants is a shadow trading platform where they can follow a trader that is using BitMEX or Bybit. Leverage trading, right? Now, I've spoken with a few people, and here's my problem. None of them are actually providing that. The platforms that do have shadow trading, you can use Binance or something, no leverage. And it's just not enough to wet my beak, your beak, either. There have been so many people that send me message say, hey, this company, they're shadow trading. There's a lot of people saying that they're gonna do it, and a lot of people who've been saying they're gonna do it, but no one is. Right now, from my knowledge, I hopefully am wrong. There is no platform where we can go on right now and I could have people shadow me if I wanted to, or any other trader shadow using BitMEX or Bybit. There is none. There are only empty promises. And if there is a shadow trading platform out there, I would certainly be selective of who I let in. Because when one thing goes the other way, you get death threats and everything. I get death threats every single day. Every single day. From these weebs. We do have this flagpole, this double bottom, which is super bullish. Although the last flagpole, I believe it was on like the 15-minute. Let's see if we can find it. Didn't work out. I think it was this one. It may have been this one. When was this? June 5th, that was yesterday. Or this one. They go up a little bit. Look, actually, it's real. Look, they go up a little bit. They go up a little bit to the higher. Where was this one? Okay, so this went from 8,300 to 85, but the baseline rate here, let's see, the top was 85.43. It went up to 85. It went up a little higher than the top line, a little higher. And so I wouldn't be surprised if this only goes, I mean, to 79.50s even, 8K. That's why my target would be like getting out at 8K or something like that in the 7900s. Just you take what you can get. Better to be safe than sorry. We've been getting quite the interesting comments. I have to take a look at some of them. I'll look at one, like this person saying that our previous video was worse than the flat earth video. This gentleman says, look hard enough to see what you want, like GC and Pistos. Why would whales crash the market now after pumping it not even at 10K? What kind of questions do these people ask? I can't believe it. Let me give you the answer, Cole. Probably because they would take profit. Why would a whale sell? Well, it would be to take profit and to be able to get in lower again and do it again. Mind blown. So, congratulations to everyone that shorted 7,900, came down to 7,450 twice, even went up to back to 7,900 once, so you could have even done it twice. So shout out to all of you. Right now, guys, make sure you're using low leverage. When we lowered the entry for the whale crew, I've noticed that the quality of people that we've been getting in has been lower. There's a lot of noobs. And so remember, now is not the time to flop and grope. There is no rush. There is no rush. There will always be opportunity. The right trades speak to you, where they leave you no choice but to enter. And to be honest with you, there hasn't really been that many trades this past week to me that have been speaking to me, where it's like, I have to enter this. There is no choice, right? Plus, as far as my schedule, including even today, thankfully, I've already had, you have to have positions set. If I'm going to go to sleep and I have a trade open, I have exits and positions set, because I know this past week, the big moves have been happening when I've been sleeping. So we'll see. We'll see if this comes up to 8K or something. Take my money and leave. Whatever you people are doing is up to you. We are on fire with the sports betting. We're like, I think we're 7 out of 10, 7 out of the last 10 right now. We had like 1 or 2 pushes too that I'm not including in that count. Market Cypher is absolutely murdering the game. Everyone that has Market Cypher is happy. So, I am in no rush. This is a good little bullish sign. I'm riding this wave. We'll see if I can get out at 8K 8100. I am keeping my eye on things. So while the floppers are groping and the gropers are flopping, the haters are hating. Let's keep getting this crypto. More and more gains. Shout out to my whale crew. You guys are terrific. I know our trades. I've been telling you guys to go light for the past week. Here's the thing, is we've had a wave of a lot of new whales come in these past couple weeks. The month and a half before that, we were in a nice trade window, right? So when we're in one of those windows and when it's boom, 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 we're nailing major trades. That's when you guys start to hear about it. I try to tell all of you to get in while the windows you can. When the window closes, now we just got to be patient. Just be patient. We took Keith Waring, YouTuber, started in the whale crew with 0.2 Bitcoin. In 2 weeks or 3 weeks, turned it into 5 Bitcoin. How much more proof do you guys want? You know, 25x'd his account in the whale crew in 3 weeks. Show me another group that does the same. And just remember, I'm not going to do everything for you. You have to. The whole point of being in the whale crew is being a better trader. So don't expect to be spoon-fed on every single little thing. I feed you a lot. But at the end of the day, you are responsible. If your trade is in the green, if you're up 100, 200, on a move, it's up to you to take the profit. You don't know. I could be sleeping. I could be gone. I could be at the casino, so on and so forth. You're your own person. The point of being in the whale crew is to get better. Shout out to everyone in the profit logs. To all my whales, you guys are awesome. I love you guys. Let's keep it coming. Scroll down in the description if you want to be a part of the greatest trading community in crypto. Hands down. Till next time.